up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Got this 1967 Ford Mustang up for sale today. We're going to do a complete review of this vehicle that's for sale. We're going to go over the inside, the outside, go over the mechanics and the undercarriage. If you like our videos and want to see new inventory every week, please hit the subscribe button right now. Also, we ship all over the US, and we can get it to any port if you want to ship it worldwide. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. There is not on this one. I can tell you that up front. But let's go ahead and get started. 1967. It's a V8 with automatic transmission. It's got headers, it's got exhausts. This car was all redone. I bought this, if you've seen our previous video, from one of my clients out in Michigan. They basically got the undercarriage all redone. They did the interior and they did an engine refresh, full tune-up. We got it. It needed a transmission, so we did a full rebuild on the transmission. We did paint to it, new bumpers, and took care of little odds and ends, and now it's in pretty much perfect condition. We'll start off with this fender here. There's no really scratches on it or anything. If you look, you got one little baby scratch there. This side is fine. There's no issues with it. Same thing with this. A little gap here with the trim. Look up there, no issues. Paint's in pretty good condition. Like I said, it was just freshly painted. There's no drip marks in it or anything. Chrome is all in good shape. Oh, like a baby little scratch there. This door's in good shape. No flaws there. Come on the fender. Fender's in good shape. The hood. The one thing I don't like about the car is the tires and wheels. I'm not a fan of these wheels. I think they're 17-inch. Yeah, 17s. They scrape a little bit in the back, as you can see here. We did add air ride suspension in the rear to lift it up so it doesn't scratch. Take a look underneath. All redone. It's got MagFlow exhaust on it. .302 headers. It runs great. It really does. It's originally a C code. Door panel has a little wear right here, but besides that, seats are in good shape. Headliner's in good shape. Horn works. Radio's Bluetooth. We have one repair we're doing right now, and we're putting a new speedometer cable in it. It's the last thing that we're doing to it, and then she's ready to go. That was the only thing we noticed on our test drive. All the gauges work: temperature gauge, gas gauge, oil pressure, all that works perfect. We got a little USB connection there. Yeah, it sounds really, really good. solid car, top to bottom. It's all been redone, like I said. You got a rebuilt transmission in it, fresh paint, undercarriage is all done. You got no rust whatsoever. Engine was refreshed, it drives great. This one's listed for $22,000. The first $22,000 gets it. Up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. This one will not last long. It's just a solid Mustang. I typically see these Mustangs much more expensive than what we're listing it for when they're all redone. And this one has been redone. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you would buy? Is it priced right? Let me see all the YouTube experts what you think. Appreciate you checking out our page. Give us a call if you're interested. Appreciate you guys.